What's going on, guys? It's the next morning and I am tackling the install of the American Modified Off-Road Armor Grille for the 22 to 24 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. As you can see, it's right down here on the grill on the ground. I'm going to show you where all the bolt locations and the clips are, just to make this video a lot faster. Once I show you that, I'm going to put it on a tripod and I'm going to time lapse the video because I don't want this video to be stupid long. So let me go ahead and show you where everything is. All right. So once you pop the hood, you are going to come to your intake, ram air, cold air, induction, whatever you want to call it. And there are 10 of these clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pop them out with a flathead. Some people suggest taking this arm off, the hood release, with T15. You can, you don't have to. You can kind of finagle it and pull it out. I've done it before. After you do that, you are then going to come and inside the fender, you're going to have 3 T15. There's one there, one right here, and there's another one right here. And it's going to mirror on the other side of the vehicle. Then you're also going to have 3 7mm bolts that are inside the inner fender. And let me see if I can show them to you over here because the passenger side is easier. All right, so there's going to be one right here. There's another one right there where the hole is. And then there's another one right in here somewhere. Can't see it. I got my finger on it. Right there. So you got 1, 2, 3. They're going to mirror each other on both sides. Once you get that done, you can then start pulling off the lower valence. After you get the lower valence and you take this off, you'll have 4 10mm sockets up top and 3 10mm sockets down on the bottom. So pretty much T15, 7mm, 10mm, and a little bit of elbow grease. I'm gonna go ahead and set this back up on this tripod and I'm gonna time lapse this whole thing. What's going on, guys? Today I got the review of the AMOffroad Armor Grille for the 2022 to 2024 Chevy Silverado. Now take note that this does not fit the ZR2 trim levels. Now before I get into the review, I do want to thank AMOffroad for sending me out this grille and allowing me to be the first person to install this on my truck. Now with that being said, this is not a paid or a sponsored video. What I'm telling you is honest. Let's take a look at this grille. That looks good, don't it? They're claiming this is a ZR2 style grill. That's what it's advertised as. To me, I'm going to call it an OEM Plus grill. It does have a ZR2 feel to it. It still also has a feel like my OEM grill. The differences that I've noted is obviously the Chevrolet logo is gone. If you have the Chevy bow tie, that's gone. If you have the Chevy mini bow tie on the bottom, that's gone. And all the knurling across the front is gone as well. The material of this grill is made of a hard ABS plastic. This is a matte finish. I believe they do offer a gloss black finish. They also offer another option that does not utilize this, but also utilizes your Chevy bow tie. So you won't get the light bar. You'll be able to use your Chevy bow tie. But it will have the amber side markers on either side of that bow tie as well. The installation was super easy, super straightforward. Everything lined it up perfect. There was No extra trimming, no extra cutting or drilling of holes. Everything lined up like it was meant to be, like this was an OEM piece. All the clips, all the bolt holes, everything. Two things to note. Um, the headlight trim pieces, you will have to harvest the mounting plates off the back of your OEM grill. It's two screws, they're Torx 20 bits, two screws in each side. Unscrew them off the OEM grill, screw them onto these headlight trim pieces, and push them into place, and you're done. In the center, there is a pin or clip. On the truck, there's a mounting plate, and it's got two holes. One of them's plugged up, one of them's not. My grill was utilizing the lower one. This grill utilizes the upper one. The upper one is plugged. Just pop out the plastic piece with a flathead screwdriver and push this into place, and it holds it in fine. The grill does come with the front mounting camera bracket, so if your truck does have the front mounted camera, you will be able to still retain that. Other than that, this grill is perfect. Uh, I don't have anything negative to say about it whatsoever, other than I wish I would have gotten this, or this would have came with the truck. It looks good. Let me show you these lights one more time. Yeah. All right. So that's what I have as far as my review. If you found this helpful, please comment below. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe for more content of my 2024 Chevy Silverado Overland build. If you'd like to see more photos and other content, check me out on Instagram at Mando_Outdoors. Again, thank you on AM Off-Road for sending this out to me and allowing me to install it and review it for you. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.